Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to tell you guys a little trick I've used for the past month on my hair. Just because it's been getting dry, I had to fight that and do a lot to make sure it stays moisturized, because I did keep my hair in regular braids for at least a week at a time before taking them completely out, even though I would wash them in between. So guys, what I wanted to show you today is butter. Now, because I would have my hair in braids or twists during the week, I would have to take them out by the end of the week. So washing them sometime would dry them out a little bit, because I wouldn't be able to take them completely out to add moisture like I would if I did a wash day. So one thing I started doing is using a little bit of butter on the ends to take them out instead of just taking them out without doing anything. And I did this for a few weeks before I put these braids in, guys, and I noticed that it did make a difference, not only in making it easy, of course more manageable because of the slip to take my hair out instead of just using oil in it and the moisture, but also it helped me with less breakage. And I also did that because it helped me be more patient with my hair. I tend sometimes, if I'm tired, to, not always, but sometimes I notice I do just try to get it done. And when you're taking braids out, you can rip your hair out and break it sometime, which is not the best idea if you're looking to not cause damage and retain more length, guys. It was easy to take them out. It was already hydrated, moisturized before I did anything else to it, and added even more oil to hot oil my hair, which felt great. And I love the result of it. Even though my hair was out, you notice that it was still a little bit more dry, but it had more butter on it. So I love how soft it gets after I do that, so I don't have to work as hard to detangle it, and I don't have to fight my hair as much to take out the old shedded hair that's in there. After I leave my hair in for at least a week before I take them completely out to do a full wash day. So adding the butter gave me, of course, more slip, which is always great when you're trying to avoid breakage. It helps me keep a thicker, healthier head of hair, which I absolutely love, guys. So that's one little trick you can use. It's very simple, but helps a great deal if you have hair that's on the drier side, like my 4C hair, guys. Great little tip for you to use to help take your hair out if you're using braids or twists to keep your hair until wash day come up on you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, and leave all your comments down in the comments box below, and go over and watch my last video.